Hello and welcome back to Getting Ready with Rebecca, episode 2, Those Eyes Though. Okay, so I am going to show y'all how I blend and apply ShadowSense. I am using Caribbean Blue, Silver Shimmer, and Moonbeam Shimmer. I always try to use 3 colors, a darker color on the outside, then a lighter, and then a shimmer on the top. I love the combinations. Sometimes I use 2 colors, sometimes I use 1 color. It's totally up to you, but tonight I'm going to show you how to use 3 colors on my eyes. So I start off with, and I do have, I put a Snow ShadowSense on my eye just as a blank slate sort of thing. And so I'm going to start off with the blue ShadowSense. Okay, so you can either apply directly with the brush, and then what I do is I get a fluffy brush like this, and I will blend. Okay, so these shadows are buildable. They last all day. You have a little while, you have a few seconds to play with them, and once they set, they are set. Okay, they're not going to move, no budge, no smudge. Okay, also they are cream to powder. Okay, and they do not crease in your eyelids. Okay, that is what I love. All right, so I have applied, and then I just used a kind of motion, left to right motion, and then I will do the same for my other eye. Now you can also go use this and your brush and directly apply the color on your brush and then apply it on your eye, but I like to do this, so I make sure I get my color on, and you only need a little bit goes a long ways. And then I blend. Okay, blend, blend, blend. And I only go like halfway. If you get more on this side, you can fix it. Okay, on this side, like I said, you do have a little bit of time. And if you want it darker, once you blend it out and you say, oh, I want it darker, then you can do more. You can just add more on top. Next is I'm taking Silver Shimmer, so I take a lighter color. And this can be the same color that you apply up top as well, but tonight I'm not going to. I'm going to do 3 different colors. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to apply this right there, and then I'm going to take a smaller, fluffier brush and I'm going to blend. So a lighter color on the inner of your eye makes your eyes pop. Okay, and you can also apply some here to accent your eye. All right, and now I'm gonna do this side. I love using this, using ShadowSense. Sorry, because it is so easy to blend, and it doesn't. My main thing is it doesn't crease. Like, that is my main. And I'm sorry, my son is in the room. Okay, and then I just blend over. I'm just adding a little more. There we go. And it's kind of a fade. So this can be a smoky eye. Pretty much it is. Next, I'm going to use Moonbeam Shimmer for my up here near my brows. Okay, I always like to do that. And what I'm gonna do is use the same brush that I used for the silver and just gently blend. Okay. Now, if you want more, like, so you have a dark color and you think like, oh my gosh, it's really, really dark. If you hold closer to the brush, the pressure is more and you'll lighten it more, you'll blend it more and it'll lighten down. If you like the color like this and you don't want to blend it out too much, hold your hand farther away from the brush, less pressure, okay? So I'm going to apply over here. Okay, and there we go. Next for my eyes is liner. I use a pencil liner. The pencil liner is, again, a no budge, no smudge, and it lasts all day. Even if your eyes it gets watery, it will still last. So what I do is I have hooded eyes, so I close my eyes and then I pull lightly on my lid. A lot of people say don't do that, but I do, because that way I have, and don't open your eye. Okay, and that wasn't the best, but this eye seems to always be better than the other eye. Except for the end. I always do that. Okay, so there we go. Let's redo this. Let's fix this eye. Okay. It is what it is. Okay, then on my bottom I do my waterline and I come halfway. I only come halfway because my eyes are like they're closed a little more, they're more slanted. I don't know the proper shape name for them, but I do know that if I go all the way to the center, then it's just gonna make my eyes look really closed, okay? And we don't want that. So, there's our liner. I know the top is not the best, but when you're nervous and it's just crazy. But again, just not being hard on your eyes like this, just gently hold it and you won't get like white lines. Okay, last is my mascara. So I'm going to put on a black brown mascara. This mascara grows your lashes with Capixel. Okay, there's no fibers in it. I sometimes use a primer. I should have used a primer. The primer makes them more like volumized, and that also grows your lashes. And this mascara is like amazing. It goes on super easy, and in order for me to get it on super easy, I heat it up. I heat it up by putting it in underneath my thigh while I do all my other makeup, and then it just glides on. I'm not a makeup artist, so, but I will tell y'all that my lashes are super long. Anybody else make a face? And right now I'm using non-waterproof. I do use waterproof a lot. Okay. And because I did my liner so thick, I can't even see my mascara. There we go. See? And if you accidentally get mascara on your lid, just use your finger or a Q-tip and gently wipe it off. And your ShadowSense will not go anywhere. Okay, so there we go. Our eyes are ready to go. Thank you for joining me, and I can't wait for episode 3. Bye.